Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Vanguard Fund account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Vanguard Fund account, first, log into your Vanguard account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Look for the account you wish to cancel. Click on that specific account to access the account details. Review the information and ensure this is the account you want to close. Locate the Account Services option. In the Account Services menu, select Close Your Account. Read through the information provided about closing your account. Make sure to understand any potential fees or implications of closing the account. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Continue button. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to close the account. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Fill out any required information as prompted. After completing the necessary steps, review your request for accuracy. Submit your request to close the account. You should receive a confirmation message upon completion. Check your email for any communications from Vanguard regarding your account closure. Keep a copy of any confirmation for your records. Your account will be processed for closure as per Vanguard's policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.